Alright guys, so this is Joseph once again. If you're stumbling on my page for the very first time, do well to like, share, and of course subscribe so you get notified each time I get to post a video. Alright, so are you tired of using blacklisted IPs? Are you tired of using IPs with high fraud scores? You are at the right place. This video is for you. Alright, so I bring to you Talordata. Alright, with Talordata, you're sure of getting very high quality residential IPs, all right, for your surveys. Okay, so they are very reliable, they are very clean and have not been blacklisted. Are you tired of using some of these other sites? You want where you can get very fresh IPs that have not been maliciously used? Yes, this video is for you. So try as much as possible to hop on this and get some IPs there, and you're sure to work on your other poll and some of the survey sites and in out something from it. All right, so without further ado, let me show you guys how to go right about this. Okay, so hit the menu button here to sign up. Okay, you will see the sign up button here. You can start a free trial if you want. You can start a free trial. You can start a trial for free. You can either log in if you already have an account. Okay, so check the comment section of this video. You're going to see a direct link to this page. So when you click the video, this is what you would see. If you're not on this page like this, then you are at the wrong place, right? So this is how it should look like when you hit the link directly from the comment section. So I already have an account, so I will not be signing up. So I'll just go straight to my accounts. Okay, I'll just go straight to my account. So let's wait for it to load. Okay, so this is my account. Traffic balance. Yes, I have funded 1 gig. All right, I have funded 1 gig. So that is my balance. So after funding, this is how it's going to look like for you. But let me show you how to fund. Okay, let me show you how to fund. So you want to get started after signing up. What next? How do you fund? How do you recharge? Now you can see rotating residential proxy starting from 0.65 per gigabyte. So 1 gig is not even up to $1. 1 gig is not even up to $1 here. You can see. So let's hit the menu button and let's see what other options we have. Let's hit the money button here and then let's see what other options we have. You can see we have the rotating proxies, we have the rotating residentials and the static ISPs. They both offer rotating residential IPs and then they offer both static IPs. This is it here. So whichever package you want, you can expressly get from here. But today I'll be making emphasis on the rotating residential proxies. So let's hit the rotating residential proxy and then let's see where it's going to take us to. So it is going to bring us here. So you can see now I have my remaining tariff. I have tariff here, right? So I can buy more if I need to. I can buy more. So it's telling me this is what my tariff is remaining. So the more as you use your IP, you can always come back here to check and see how much is left for you. So this is what is left for me. Okay, so now let's go to buy plan. If I want to add another plan, I can come to buy plan. So it's saying that your first purchase, you can get 30% off your first purchase. Okay, so on your first purchase, you're going to be getting a discount because you're a special customer, right? It's a welcome bonus package. So instead of paying $2.84 for 2 gig, you'll be paying 1.98 for your first package. Okay, so you can hit the buy now button to purchase. So this is, if you want 10 gig, this is how much it's going to cost you. If you want 50 gig, this is how much it's going to cost you. All right, so if you want to go with the 2 gig 30% off, then you hit the buy now. So what I'm going to do now is to change this my screen to, I'm going to change it to desktop mode so I'll view it more. I want to have a broader view of it. So you can see it's on desktop mode now and I am on the first choice. So you can see 2 gig, validity period 30 days, and then it's unit price per unit per 1 gig is going to cost me $0.99 per GB. So the original price is 2.84, but it's been subsidized to 1.98. Okay, so that's what I'll be paying for 2 gig. It's very difficult to get anywhere to get 2 gig for 1.98. So I'll click the buy now button. So it's going to bring me here. So what else do I need to do is to pay. Okay, what are the options for payment? You can use your cryptocurrency to pay. You can use it directly from your PayPal account. You can pay, and then if you do have Alipay, you can use your Alipay accounts to as well also pay. So if you do not, for those who are in my community, if you do not have cryptocurrencies to pay, just reach out to me. I would work out something and see how we could set up someone who can help you fund via cryptocurrency. Okay, so that's that about that. That's how to fund. Immediately you fund, it's going to reflect on your board here. It's going to reflect here. Okay, it's going to reflect here. So now how do I generate my IP? After funding, how do you generate your IP? After funding, your balance is going to be captured, right? Where I showed you my balance is remaining 0.98. After funding, yours is going to be showing 2 gig. If you go for the 2 gig option, it's going to be showing 2 gig. So after funding, what next? How do I use? You can see I am at the buy plan here. After clicking rotating residential proxy, the next thing to do is to come to usage setting. I want to use now. Let's go to usage setting. I'm going to click the user setting here. It's going to bring me here. All right, it's going to bring me here. So this is showing here for me, but yours is not going to show. Okay, yours is not going to show. So the next thing you have to do is to what is to click the add sub account. Yes, you click the add sub account. I have one add sub account here and it's enabled. You need it. Okay, so click the add sub account on your own. Once you click the add sub account, then you enable it, then you add it. Okay, so then you just click the add account. You don't necessarily need to do more setting on it. You can see I just clicked the add account here. I just click the add account. If you want, you can set a username and a password, enable, and then you can confirm. Okay, you can set any username you want to use. You can set any password. You can set any username, any password, and then how many gigabytes you want to allocate to that username and password that you confirm. But for me, I don't want to allocate. If you don't want to allocate any gigabyte, you just click confirm, and then it's going to automatically allow you to use all the data. So ensure that you add sub account. If you don't add sub account, it's not going to work. And if you don't want to add a sub account, you may find it very difficult to use. So add a sub account. So I already have one here. This is my username. I just use the default username. I didn't put my name, but you can as well put yours too. So let's go back. After adding your add account, you have to do that. After adding that, then you come back here. It will be easy to now create. You come back to user setting. Now I want to create IP. I want to create a US IP. I want to create a US IP. So I'll come to country here and I'll search for the United States. I'll search for the United States and then I'll come to state and ISP. I want to search by ISP. Yes, internet service provider. I want to search by internet service provider. So when I click the drop down menu here, see there are tons of ISP providers here. There are tons of it. See, there's US Internet Corp. There's West Carolina Communication. There is a Solarus. There is Union Pacific. Blah blah blah. There is Charter Communication, Visionary. Blah. There are lots of it. So when you swipe down, you can find any one you are looking for, any ISP name you're looking for. Just all you need to do is swipe down and you can find it. Okay, all you need to do is swipe down, you can find it. So let me just go for Charter Communication. I know about Charter Communication and it's okay for what I do, so I'll go for Charter Communication. That's the ISP I'm looking for. So now this is the rotation mode. We are at the point of setting our rotation mode. So this is saying please select your desired IP rotation mode. Do you want a randomized IP that can any location they can pick for you, anything they pick for you, or you want a sticky IP? Or you want a sticky IP. So I prefer to go for a sticky IP. What's the rotation time you want for your IP? I want my IP to be rotated in 120 minutes, right? So I'm going to set the maximum time. So look at this now. Auto switch on IP failure. Auto switch. This is a very, very important functionality. This is an amazing functionality. Auto switch on IP failure. What this means is that, yes, this is computer, this is gadget, this is computer gadget. There are lots. Sometimes you may not be able to control. So IP may sometimes unintentionally go off from the source. Okay, IPs can sometimes go off from the source temporarily. So because Talordata do not want you to be stranded as at that point in time, your IP can automatically switch to another IP of same location and same ISP, so you can continue enjoying the service. Okay, so it's not like after your IP fails, your internet just dies. No, there's an auto switch on IP failure. Automatically, once the IP goes off, it switches to another one. So, but if you don't want this, you can untick it. If you don't want it, you can untick it. Once you untick it, if your IP goes off, your internet goes off. So you have to come and generate a fresh IP and continue. So whichever way you want to do. So let's come. We've picked charter communication, ISP, United States, randomize, and then the next thing to do is to hit the badge generation. So it's going to generate an IP for you. Once it generates the IP, you click the copy link here. You can see it. You hit the badge generation, click the copy, and then you copy it. After copying it, the next thing to do is to come to your super proxy, where you would most likely launch your IP. You come to your super proxy, and then you apply. So I already have one Talordata IP saved on my phone. So you can see how I arranged it. For server, you can see this is how I arranged it. For server, it is this. For port, it is this. For username, it has a username, is there, is shorter, and then this is the username, and then this is the password. The password is shorter. The username is a bit long, and it ends with the username is a bit long, and it usually ends with 120. Okay, so do well to always check the server. Sometimes this could change. This NA here, this initials here could sometimes change. This NA could sometimes change. Sometimes you can see PA, you can see something else. So do well to check that. If you miss it, it might not connect. So this is the port 2600. So I'm going to save it, and then I'll click start. So it has started. You can see now my VPN is on at the top. Let's see what we are going to get. Let's see what we're going to get. Okay, so let's go to IP score. Let's go to IP score. All right, so you can see the ISP name is charter communication. Okay, you can see it's charter communication, and what's the organization? The organization is Spectrum. Spectrum is very, very good. Spectrum is very, very good. It is good. All right, so what's the IP? The IP type, it is a business IP. Okay, which is also very, very good. So what location, the time zone, what time zone are you on? You're on an American New York time zone. What region is this IP? This IP is in Pennsylvania. All right, city is Franklin, and proxy, you can see proxy is false. So you see proxy, it is not showing yes, it is not showing VPN, which means you will not be detected. So this is good, right? False. Okay, so let's go down. What is the fraud score? The fraud score is completely zero. This IP is very, 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 very clean. So if you do want to get very, very clean IPs like this with maximum zero fraud score, has not been abused, get your IP from Talordata. All right, guys, so do well to check the comment section, use the direct link, and sign up. Peace and love, guys. And you can as well use my promo code. You can as well use during funding, you can use my promo code to you can use my promo code to get a discount. Let me take you there. Let me take you to buy plan. Let's go to pay now. You can see there is a coupon discount code. There's a discount code option here. You can see, so you can use my discount code to get 10% off. So there'll be a 10% reduction. So you can use Taylor. You can use a Taylor Joda. Yes, you can use Taylor Joda together as the discount code. I'm going to drop the discount code in the comment section. Do well to check the comment section to check the right spelling for the discount code applied here. Peace and love, guys.